Hey, let me show you how we can fix 10 seconds always on display problem on POCO M8. So first of all, in my opinion, the best way is to download the Movies Edge application from Google Play Store. It will actually allows you to pick any clock that you want, any style. As you can see, it's definitely much more advanced than the default option that we have on this phone. For example, I would like to get this that looks like a nothing phone. So now I have to just click apply like that, and by going to the settings I have to just make sure that I'm gonna enable all of those permissions one by one. You just have to accept everything, and after that the always on display will be more than 10 seconds on your screen. And you can also change the brightness of this one. Now when we lock the screen, we should actually get it. Take a look. And that's how it looks, and it will stay here more than 10 seconds. So that's how we can actually do that. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next tutorials for this device.